Happy birthday, Michaela. Is it Michaela's birthday? Is it your birthday? Michaela, what's that? What is it? You wanna go see? Go see, Michaela. Go see. No? Okay, tell me when you're ready. Another mousey? Okay. Kayla. Come see.
Balloons.
Go say happy birthday.
Go say happy birthday to Sissy. Okay, that's the balloons.
Kayla, go say happy birthday to Sissy.
I kissed the balloon.
Go say happy birthday to Sissy.
Happy birthday.
Oh, give her a hug. Oh, that's nice, Caleb. Oh, she's a grouchy.
Here, tap the balloon. Caleb, look.
What? It's a singing balloon. Yay!
Happy birthday, Michaela.
Our non-morning birthday girl. Oh, well, we could be here having to hear that all day. Yay!
Oh, bless you over there.
I'm gonna be close.
Right across the bay on this turtle.
Okay, good.
Yay! Hooray! Whose birthday is it?
Whose birthday, Michaela? Whose birthday is it?
Me.
You? How old are you? How old are you, Michaela?
The balloon is pink.
Yeah, how old are you?
Balloon.
How old are you, Michaela? Caleb. Treat it nicely. Michaela, how old are you? How old are you, Michaela?
Me.
How old? How old are you?
I got the balloon.
Michaela, how old are you?
3.
You're 3?
Good job, Michaela.
Hooray!
Okay, not near the TV, please. Your hair is in all scattered.
3-year-old birthday, and she's coming down to see her new present.
Let's go see what it is.
Oh, can you pop the balloon?
What am I doing?
Just make it sing.
Oh. Michaela. Use both hands. What is it?
A bicycle.
A bicycle. What color is it?
Pink.
Who is it for?
Yeah.
Is it for you?
Uh-huh.
Why don't you get on it?
All right, let's
Wow.
ride. Yay!
Easy.
Did you get the most annoying horn? Go ride! Ride the bike!
Okay, let's get a helmet and go
Your
ride.
shoes on!
Oh.
His shoes on?
Forward, push.
Woohoo! Michaela! Go forward! Gotta pedal forward, not backwards. That's your brakes.
Let's turn around and try it again, okay?
Good job, Michaela.
Turn around.
Yeah, going backwards puts brakes. You need to go forward so you go fast.
Good push.
Look at my big girl.
Push. Push. There you go. Forward. You gotta go forward. Backwards is stop. Forward. Push. Forward. Forward. The Rainforest Cafe celebrating Michaela's 3rd birthday. She's acting silly. Silly, silly, silly. Yay! Oh, she blew it up?
Yeah, she blew it up.
Yay!
Can I have a cake?
Right?
Kayla's having her birthday.
Caleb, get some too. You have a spoon right there. Look, spoon right there.
You want some, bud?
Here, Caleb. It's got chocolate on it and everything.
Oh, delicious. It's almost as big as Michaela.
Okay, let me put some on the plate. Okay, let me put some on the plate.